Hi everyone, Jorge with Dent Motion. Welcome back. Recognize it's been a little bit since I posted any videos or anything like that, but I wanted to show you this Acura TL that I'm taking care of here for another client. He's a car dealer, a good friend of mine actually. He calls me from time to time, and he has an Acura TL that is actually not the nicest clean car, but he wants to make it look better and sell this car. But let me show you this damage. So this is a 2004, 149,000 miles. These Acura TLs at one point or another, they were super expensive cars, and he sees the value of this actually repair papers. There's a stack of repairs that this car has had over the years. I mean, you know, in my observation of being a car dealer also, that's a good sign. I mean, this is a good car. Cosmetically, these folks perhaps unfortunately didn't do that great of a job. That's the dent that I'm gonna remove on this car. I mean, it is huge, you know, it's just large. I'm gonna try to tackle this for him too, this crease. Ugly. He was thinking he would replace the door, but try to clean that up for him. Like I said, it's not the nicest clean car, but boy, mechanically I would love to have a car that mechanically has that type of receipts, because it seems like they fixed everything on it. But anyways, I'll show you the process. Okay, so look, some people have called me, emailed me, and asked, you know, hey, I had a dent or a ding, or you know, could it be just popped out? Could it, you know, could I just pop that out? And you know, I just pulled here, and I pulled on this body line. First tab I used was this one. Second one I used was this one. In a matter of, I don't know, 2 minutes. So it's popping out. You know, it really is. I mean, it's, you know, it's but always know that the bulk of it is not necessarily coming out. And gosh, I love to hold this phone and use this glue tabs. You know, I'm kind of all set up here with glue and show you what I'm doing. But I'm gonna set the tab, and then I'm gonna pull it and come back to the video. Okay, so there's my tab. Here's my slide hammer. Okay, and I'm actually going to, okay, let's see how we're gonna do this. I'm gonna try to gently, I want to ruin this panel. Okay, let's do it this way. Okay, there. Okay, there. There. Okay. Hey! It's coming out. I mean, it really is. Okay, let's just take a pause. I'm gonna remove that tab and see where we are. Ay, caramba. So it doesn't want to come out that easy. Okay, hang tight. Sorry, I'm all over the place with the video. This green glue is, especially on a warm day, sometimes it's outrageously strong. Special glue, again, I mean, these are all ordered by special websites that sells them. This is not your Walmart kind. There's a little bit of residue. Okay, cleaning that up. Wipe that down. And coming along. I'll continue to show you. Okay, so here's roughly where I am with it. Right now, Looking good. There's still some waves here and there that I'm still working on, but I mean, compared to where it was, you know, and in many ways, this is what we call wholesale work. The owner of the business already came out and he was really pleased. But I'm gonna still push a few of the lows that are right here, just to clean it up a bit. I'm gonna throw a little shine on it and call it a day on this one, and then move on to the other side. Okay, everyone, I'm gonna call this one good. I would consider this an 80% repair. 80% repair. It doesn't get all the little details, all the little lows. You know, a lot of times people ask me, oh my God, you know, it just seems a little bit more than I wanted to spend. I typically quote a really clean, what we would call probably a 99% repair. But this was 80%. Take a look. I mean, it still has a few, and which is going to be really hard to see, but has a few little ripples here and there. Wholesale quality, but it's gonna fly. This will work really well for the customer's going to buy this car. Paintless dent repair. This saved them money. Doesn't have to paint this whole quarter panel and blend it into that door. This is what we can do. Ask us about wholesale quality. Ask when you call. Ask me. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time and watching my videos. Sometimes I get a little rumbling about, you know, talking about what's possible. This happened to be wholesale quality. Take a peek. Look at the damage. Look what it looks like. Call me at 720-552-0808 and say, hey, Jorge, you know, I need one of those wholesale qualities because, you know, maybe I can't afford a retail quality at this moment. But a lot of times my wholesale quality might be your retail quality. I mean, you might be super happy. Give me a call. Dentmotion.com is our website. Thank you for watching once again. Thank you.